Sanjay is a regular at these street dances, so look out for him. It's the Easter weekend and believe me, the parties are out of control. Here's the intense party listing.
Temptation Exotic All White Edition. It's at House of Dancehall, 6 Cargill Avenue.
Nice.
It's $600 pre-sold and it's $800 at the gate. Proud sponsor of Exclusive Vodka.
Optimal Lifestyle goes Hollywood. The Hollywood part of it now with the ID Drummers. They're planning to go to Hollywood to do the World Championship of Performing Arts in Hollywood.
Nice.
So this, we'll have to make this huge. It's a fundraiser for the drummers and also the music club.
Love Nitty Fest. Sativa, what's going on?
It keep the 17, which is this coming Monday.
Yes.
Yeah, so we are looking for everyone come forward and just come support. It keep our Linseed, Corner Cafe before KFC. So we just look for everyone just come out and just come show the love. Admission at $800. Kids under 12 free.
So I have Jade with me and she's going to tell us about Rewind.
Well, Intrinsic Entertainment presents Rewind, the Sexy Glow edition, sponsored by High Tension Sound.
Nice.
And not normal. It's the big bad event at the Aquadat Gutters, Wallaba St. Catherine. So people from all cribbies and corners are going to there. 500 pre-sold, 800 at the gate, VIP, $2,000. So you can't afford to miss this big bad event. Everybody are going there. Live performance by me girl Jade, the Hide and Beat boss.
Fade to the darkness all the way. At the start, guess I hoped that for once I had escaped the fakes, the snakes. Waste of time, so face to face. I'm bold enough to throw on the edge of the long to say.
Of course, the intense recommended events are Beach Juve going on now and Alka Vibes at Savannah Park later. Remember to party hard but always drink responsibly. Do not drink and drive. Up next, Content Talks music and heartache. Plus, it's Wednesday night at the fight. The rare Navy contender returns. Intense soon forward.